is all in the house. Oh, wow. I just looked over the screen. Wow, we're up 2.15 in pre-market right now. Wow, this is good, guys. Good morning. I like to wake up to this. I like to wake up to a start to a green day. It's very good. We got 11 wolves in here already. Right on. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I love having coffee with you guys in the morning, man. It's a good way to start the day. So, Connor. Okay, Josh. Andres. Aaron. Jamal. No Cap. Steve. Leon the Lion. Alfred. And Connor. Guys, good morning. Good morning. How you guys all doing this morning? Did you guys have a good night last night? Let's make some money today. I'm getting tired of this BS. It gotta end. It's gotta end. Let's start making some friggin' money. I want to see a couple hundred G in our accounts, man. Like, this is getting ridiculous. Getting ridiculous. Christopher Mac22. What's up, brother? Welcome to the channel, my friend. Mr. C, good morning. Good morning, gang. Vinny. Wow, Jonathan. Sweetness. AJ. Ed. Wow, man. You guys are just ready. Do you want to make some money this morning, eh? Maybe this will be the day. Maybe this will be the day, guys. You know, one morning we're going to get on here, and it's going to be sitting at 300-400%, and we're going to be like, holy crap. And it's going to happen in pre-market. You guys know that, right? Good morning, Andrew. So I'm just going to get ready here. We got 3 minutes before market opens. Just let me get this software pasted over onto Twitter here. Let's see. Let's get Twitter up here. I got too many screens happening here. Okay, let's get Twitter happening here. And then we'll jump on in, guys. Okay, I'll tweet this shit out. Okay, that's done. Now we'll get over to Face Crook here. Get over to good old Facebook. Yeah, we do have a huge site over on Facebook too, eh, guys? I think there's over like 4,000, 5,000, 4,000, almost 5,000 members over there. So let's go over to, it's called Canadian Stock Talk. If you guys ever seen it on Facebook, it's pretty well known group. But I don't do live feeds on there. I just post stuff. So YouTube is the channel. Okay, enough of that crap. Good morning, Jason, Marcelo, and Wayne. Okay, what do we got here? We got 1 minute. Okay, let's get this stuff off here. We did a little bit of a downplay there, and we back recovered it again almost. They always seem to do this. Oh, here we go. Good, we have a little bit of a push up before a market open. Good. I like to see it. Researching the market strategies and how to properly research and rate them. Taking the time to learn new skills. Oh, good for you, man. It will pay off. It will pay off. No, Vinny. It's all good. Guys, don't worry about Facebook. That's just that. It's just I post stuff on there, right? We have a huge group. Like, it's growing. It was before this, and then I was thinking, hey, man, a couple of my friends are like, you know what you're doing, man. You should just do a YouTube channel. So that's, good morning, Future Whale. So that's why I did it. Look, we're up. Market just opened. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. Damn, there's a huge, look at that. Doesn't know what way to go. Just keep on going up. Yeah. Holy crap. Come on, baby. Go, 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 go. Go. Yeah, nice push. We just got to hold that over 2 candlesticks. Come on. Come on. Go. Yes. Yes. Look at that. That's probably one of the biggest candlesticks I've seen in a while, man. Please don't retrace. Lock and load. Bounce over. Come on. Lock that shit in. What do you got? 10 seconds. Click. Come on. No, some of the rules started yesterday, my friend. 4%. Yes. Friggin' A. Yes, this is a way. This is the way, guys. Let's do this shit. You have to remember, this is not... This is just the app's dumping, so it's not really... it's beautiful stuff. It's beautiful stuff. So this is all the people that bought overnight. Come on. It'll level out in a bit, and then we can get a fair judgment on the market, what's happening here. We're sitting at 44.70. Let's have a look at the scanner here. What else is happening? We are the highest stock on the scanner right now. Wow, that's pretty good. GameStop's up too. It's at 3%. It's just trailing right behind us. Good. Yes, nothing like double dipping. So, AMC's turned into Mr. Krabs. Yeah, no kidding, eh? It's like a roulette table here. Good afternoon from the UK. Josh is in the house. Right on. Right on. Sorry, guys, I'm really quiet here. JP, good morning. I'm just waiting for this to finish doing its stuff here. It'll take a couple minutes. I just want to get a true reading on what the volume is coming in instead of just these apps dumping here. Okay, come on. Come on, you stupid phone. Come on, stop being retarded. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting some proper judgment here. It's hard to do. It's hard to see first thing. You got to wait a couple minutes for these all this crap to settle here. Okay, now we're getting some proper feeding here. Okay, what are we doing for volume? It's clipping pretty good. We're getting pretty good movement here, guys. We're getting pretty good movement. It's pretty good for first thing in the morning. There are 75 apes waiting for us. What's up, buddy? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Good morning, Manjeet. Yeah, it'd be nice to get this up to it'd be nice if we could close at about 10%. 6 to 10% today would be beautiful stuff. And then we could get up to, we'll be about $50 by the end of the week. It would be a nice close. Of course, it'd be nice if it was in the hundreds, but I'm just saying that if you see my video yesterday, there's a little bit of shenanigans happening on the market and stuff. So it's just, I don't know, this government needs to put a fire under their butt. You know what I mean? Like, you know how many people's money and lives are at stake on this? I don't understand. I can't wrap my head around that. The Canadian government, it seems to be faster on stuff like that. Like, they banned this shit long time ago. Same as the UK government. Like, they don't put up with this shit with the market like this. But hopefully they can get this straightened out. I don't know why that they don't make it illegal. Why it is still law for some reason. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, 75 per share. Oh, yeah. Oh, for sure, man. Sorry, I just didn't understand it. You know, it's super rich. How's it going, bro? Sanjay. So, yeah, it would be nice if they would switch just make it illegal. Like, they could do it like that, right? They can slam the laws through. It seems like the only country that has that law with this rerouting shit. Like, and there's a couple laws there that just don't make sense, right? It just doesn't make sense. It is out for the 1%ers. It's not out for us. The market is rigged. We all know that. It's just that there's so many more people in the market now in the last year than there has been in an eternity. So that raises concern for all of us. Like, we just want a fair market. That's all. We just want a fair market. That's all we want. To be able to put our money in. If we lose money, we lose money. If we make money, we make money. But all this dark pool shit, all this redirecting crap, all this failure to deliver, all that is bullshit. It should be straightened out immediately. And that's it. I'm going for government. No, I'm just joking. But no, I'm just saying, and I know I'm rehashing. Everybody thinks the same thing. It's just that it's getting to the point where it's just retarded now. Like, I was looking at some of the statistics with the dark pool, and I'm not trying to put a damper on anybody like that this morning. I'm just discussing sums. So yeah, I'm just, it's just crazy. It just, I don't know, man. They have the power to change the laws, and it just needs to be done. I've written multiple letters to the SEC, but I'm Canadian. I don't know. Here we go, guys. But there's more shares getting directly to the market. If we didn't have these brokers or the education of some of these YouTubers or just directly people with balls that will went directly to brokers, found all this out, the people digging and doing DD, getting this freedom of speech information and bringing it out and just disposing it. If we didn't have the internet, we'd be screwed right now. Nobody'd even know what the hell's going on, right? Because the information transfer is like immediate. So, but it is what it is. We're on the right path. It's just going to take a while, but I'll be back. I'm going to get a Timmy's Ice Cap. Not a problem, brother. Hey, Timmy's Ice Cap. We got a Canadian on here. Nothing wrong with that, bro. I love Timmy's Ice Caps. It's just I was drinking too much of them. Ultimate Connections. Good morning. Good morning, brother. I'm trying to miss. Did I miss anybody? Marcel? No, Marcelo was already here. Really? AJ, really? From Morgan Chase from 2005. Wow, that's crazy. But look at this. Guys, this is good. This is good for first. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're at 7 candlesticks over, and we're cracking on 5% right now. And we're on a Tuesday. Tuesdays are usually, good morning, Felix, is an 8 trading day. Yeah, and GameStop's just trailing behind at 3.29. Okay, I'm just going to go read through everything for everybody heading to work here, like we always do. And then we'll jump back in the market here. It seems like every time I do this and I look back, we're up like huge. Shit, we're already up to 40, almost 46 bucks. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, the little bastards are trying a ladder attack. Do you guys see that? Did you see that? Candlestick? Doing that? That's not normal. No, that's that fucking fluttering shit again, man. But there's a lot of orders going direct in the market right now. Not enough, but obviously because none of this would be happening. Over the last 2 months, a lot of people have caught on. A lot of these companies, the laws have changed. We're getting a little bit more. We're getting about 10% more into the market. Okay, that's what's causing this. If we had like 80% into the market, this fucking thing would be on the moon right now. It would go up like hundreds of percent a day. And then we'd have serious FOMO kicking in, and it would just go nuts, right? But it's doing not bad right now. Okay, ticker symbol CCL, Carnival Cruise is at $24.03, 1.78 in the green on that one. Air Canada, everything seems to be doing good on the market today for the travel sector. So American Airlines is $19.69. We're at 0.87 in the green on that one too. Costs 18.41. 2.20 in the green. GEM 215.98. 3.24. Right on. AMC is at $45.78. We are cracking 5.56 in the green. That's beautiful. We've been only open for 10 minutes. Okay, so SU, ticker symbol, is Suncor Energy is at $23.90. It's sitting at par. Air Canada is also sitting at par right now at $24.42. Par right across the board. Marijuana stocks. CGC is sitting at Canopy Growth is at $17.40. It is up a substantial amount for that stock. First thing in the morning, it's sitting at almost 3%, 2.72%, which is beautiful stuff for that stock. First thing in the morning, especially on Tuesday here. Sundial. Ticker symbol SNDL. Sundial Growers out of Alberta, Canada is at 0.74, 0.46% in the green. MVIS is sitting at, it's doing not bad actually for first thing in the morning here too. It's at $14.83. That's Microvision. Just went up a little bit. Sorry, a correction on that. Stop messing around with me. 1.86. Changed like 3 times in front of my face there. Okay, ticker symbol BB. BlackBerry is at $14.12. It's sitting at par right now. Some cryptocurrency. Dogecoin is at 0.27. It's 1.56 in the green. All cryptos in the green today. Cardano is at 2.8, is 0.60 in the green. Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, is at $47,811, 1.39 in the green. Ethereum, ETH, ticker symbol $3,421, is at 5.62 in the green. Good. Bring some money into the market. Let's get this thing going here, guys. I did want to check out some other stuff, and then I'll jump into some questions here, my friends. Actually, I'll answer some questions before they get out of control here. Sorry, guys, you have a whack of questions here. Yeah, I'll answer some questions, and then I'll dive into some other ticker. I wanted to cover support.com, and there's a couple ones that I want to cover on there. I did have a call from Washington last night, late, about some flags going up on some stocks. They some people wanted to see if I wanted to jump in with them, and make some quick cash and dump out. I denied it because I don't trust the market right now, and you'd have to buy in after hours, and that's against my rules. So, and I got a call back later, and the guy lost a lot of money. So it is what it is. I am usually into a quick gig to flip cash. It's just that I went on the screen and I didn't like what I seen. I get paranoid easy, especially because I'm in on this play. But I'll jump in here, guys. Hori, good morning. Warren, good morning. Yeah, I will be charged, but you will end up saving money in the long run. Connor, yep. Okay, Warren, good morning, all. Running late, couldn't get my off the phone. Right on. Sisters. Hori. There are a lot of people from the UK on here. Cool. There's something going on with the swaps, etc. A few big players can make deals just between them without risk, causing it short and long without margin. Insane. Yeah. I'm happy. Yeah, Joker's dad. And I wanted to go back to something. Kenny's Pool, 46. Welcome to the channel, my friend. I just noticed you there. I just noticed a different avatar. Okay. Leon, question mark. Okay, so how much total is it now, Cam? 10. Oh, Are you talking about the volume, my friend? Is that what you're talking about, bro? If that's what you're at, 13.30 million. I think that's what you're referring to. Sorry, bro. Okay, I'll be back, Cam. My daughter. Yeah, not a problem, bro. Not a problem. Don't squeeze without me. If it squeezes without me, guys, I'll be sending out a podcast to everybody. That's what we do. If it starts squeezing, you'll be getting an SOS podcast. It'll say SOS squeeze right on the top. You guys will get it. I'll be hammering 2 of them out. Just have your notifications on or else you won't get it. But I'll be live, so instantly. Okay. Cookin'. What's up, brother? Tran. Good morning, guys. Stonehead, good morning. Brandon. Yo, yo. Okay, good morning, Cam. Okay, Edward, it's a schwango bango kind of morning. It is, dude. We're schwango bango and everything here. I was thinking about you the other day when I was doing that podcast. I almost said it at the end. This is from the... I was gonna go schwang. I was gonna put schwango bango in there somewhere. I'll do it for the next podcast, just for you, Edward. The real price. Oh, the real price? It's probably up there, my friend. It's probably more. It's probably about 8 to 10. I'm assuming. I haven't seen anything on that. The people that were talking about that and mentioning those after hour or those dark pool prices have stopped. I noticed. I don't know if they gotten shit for that, but I can see it. You're not supposed to be talking about those prices like that. That's why I don't personally know, guys. I don't like to put information out there that I know nothing about. You know how I am, right? So it was up at those numbers. I just don't really want to put factual information on it because I don't have a way to find out. I would have to go into Reddit, and lately on the Reddit lines, there's a lot of stuff that is just, it's just not factual information. I even know that, right? So I don't know. The Reddit groups have changed over the last 6 months. I noticed it's just a lot of younger kids on there, probably about 16, 18 years old that are just putting numbers in and just rating up stuff like dialogues, rating up blogs. There's nothing. It just so far out there, and there's nothing to back it. So I really have to go through it with a fine-tooth comb, and I'm finding that my resources for information are getting smaller and smaller. It's like these people have pulled the plug on their channels, stuff shutting down, less people are talking about it. We're getting a ladder attack, by the way, guys. We always know that. It's the same shit every day. Okay, 75, yeah. If we can hold 75 for the day, guys, 76, we're good. We are golden, okay? Because we've already gained the 2% from pre-market, right? So, head stock. Okay, hey all. If you'd stop, they will probably start charging per trading again. Start charging. Oh, you mean like per transaction, like the banks do? Is that what you're talking about, my friend? Like at the bank, I pay $9 per transaction, right? But I know it's going directly to the stock market, though. But I'd rather that than it being redirected. Does that make any sense to you guys? Depends if you're buying fractional shares or not. If you're buying fractional shares and you're buying a couple shares a day or a couple shares a week, it can add up really quick. When you sell, you get charged too. It's a double whammy. But at least that's the problem. I don't mind paying that money because I know I'm protected, right? Andrew, I've watched Bam's stuff. He's predicted a lot of things that have not come true, my friend. He's predicted a lot of stuff that has come true. Back when he first started, he was on a roll, my friend. He predicted everything. He didn't predict the 70. He predicted it 2 days after it happened. I don't follow him anymore, man. I just don't, because his articles and then his 25-minute candle that he invented or something like that. I don't know, man. His stuff's so hard to read through, and it's just so much stuff, right? And he doesn't give as much DD as he used to do, right? He used to show us everything that he used to do. Now it's so far in depth, and there's nothing really there. Like Do you understand what I'm saying? You guys must know the ones that started following him at the beginning when he was on Trey's show, and he was predicting some shit, wham, 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 weekly, and then all of a sudden it got into like predicts a whole month instead of like per week. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? I don't have anything against the guy, not at all, not at all. He's a creator. He has been in this line of work. He's the one that opened us up into all this dark pool shit a little bit. And he seconded it. Said yes, it's happening. Yes, this is what the hedge funds do. He brought a lot of knowledge to the table for sure. I'm just saying that for me to dump in there and try to pick some of his information out and then to try to broadcast it is hard. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Okay, we own the rest of the float. Yes, they only have 20-30%. Yeah, we own 80% of the float. We have for a while. Probably more than that now, okay? And do you know who keeps on buying is BlackRock. BlackRock and Vanguard keep on frigging buying millions and millions of shares. They just did it a couple days. I was going to make a video on it, but it's just redundant. They are buying so much shit up. It's frigging ridiculous, guys. George W. I hope we get it. Looks like we could get a double. We got a single top there. Okay, TD here. Good morning, CS. Hey, brother. How you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. We haven't seen you in a while, bro. Raphael. Matt. Paywall, I think. Paywall. Oh yeah, Jorge. Yeah, you agree with what I'm saying, eh, Jorge? Like, yeah, he's just. How can I put that? You guys can predict shit too. If you do it over on a month scale and say, "Hey, man, this is going to be around the $45 or the $60 range next month." Well, of course it is. It's going up average of 4% a day. By the end of the next month, it could be at $60. You know what I mean? That's what he's doing now instead of like, in 2 days, it's going to be up $60 or 62. And he was pretty close, within 50 cents. That's all I'm saying, guys. Oh, paywall. Oh, behind a paywall, CS. Okay, I get it, what you're saying now. That's all I'm saying. Okay, Oliver's supposed to have Kringle Kitty on his show again today. Good. I like Kringle Kitten. Or Kitty, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's not bad, man. I don't mind it. And Oliver's all right. I don't mind Oliver, man. He's actually, he does really good DD. Like, the guy, and he speaks very clear. He gets to the point. He does drag his videos on, but he's just a creator, right? I'm a little bit different. I don't like, I value people's time. I value my own time. I can make my videos 8 to 12, no, 15 is pretty long, 8 to 12 minutes long, and I'll get more commercial breaks, and it works out, the algorithm works out better. But I don't like doing that to you guys, because why do you want to sit and watch commercials? You already watch enough, right? So all it is filling it up full of commercials. So it just makes it longer with the commercials that they put in, right? I figured that out. So, because I watch my own videos to make sure I'm not getting too many commercials in there, because I already had to rate YouTube once and said, guys, you gotta cut the commercials down, man. Like, it's pissing me off, right? So they did cut it about a quarter out. They said they can't cut any more out. So it is what it is, guys. No, Andrew, it's all good. It's all good, my friend. We're just talking on here. It's all good, Andrew. It's all good. Morgan, good night, Puff Daddy. Yeah, no kidding. Live from Seattle. There you go. Vanguard did not buy more. They only made ETFs with the shares they had. Really? I thought that there was a thing on a guy covered on the channel. Watched it last night. Or was it BlackRock? Yeah, that they purchased another 1 million shares and he pulled the list up. That's what I seen on the list, man. That's all I was going off of. Really funny as hell. Yes, Warren. Yes. Really funny guy. Future well, that's what I was going off of, was a chart that I seen on, who the hell had that video? Was it Finance Wizard? No, it wasn't him. Somebody pulled up a thing and they went through a list saying that more shares are bought in the day or something like that. But I know they own a substantial amount, man. Like, it's ridiculous, which is good for us. But I wish they buy them on, it closed after, they buy them on the off the market anyways. But in the final scheme of things, it does help, right? It just really doesn't do anything for us now because it's not bought on open market, right? But somebody was saying something, and I'm going to go back in the messages, guys, because I want to answer this question. I want to touch down on this. I think it was Manjeet that mentioned something here. I have to go back. Wow, that's a lot of messages ago. I wanted to pick up. Okay, it seems like we won't be able to buy any more AMC shares. Did you have, Manjeet, are you still on here? I just want to touch down on that. Because somebody else also was having problems buying shares yesterday. I just wanted to make sure that, were you trying to buy shares, or somebody that you know was trying to buy shares and they couldn't? I like to know this stuff. This is, we need to keep track of that stuff. Because the platforms will eventually start shutting down for the buying. Okay? Not selling. They won't do that. And who knows, right, when it's going to happen, but it will eventually happen. They only advertise. Oh, okay. Do Charlie's vids. Oh, you are here? Okay, yeah. So, were you just hypothetically saying about that, or did you come across something there, girl? Yeah, no, I know. No, this word, I know. I always clickbait. Still at 45. I'm just looking at some stuff here. Damn, Sunground growers went down again too, eh? Okay, I bought 100 shares yesterday through TD. Okay, good. Yeah, I bought some shares through TD a while ago too. Or was it yesterday? No, Friday, and they went through fine. They were executed like within seconds. Oh, and that's TD obviously in the States. That's different than up here in Canada. Okay, no, that's good to know. I noticed that there's been some glitches and stuff. Good morning, MG. Welcome back, my friend. Robinhood. Okay, Andy bought some more shares off Robinhood. Okay, guys, it was probably just a glitch, right? But it happened. Remember last week, there was like 4 or 5 people on here that couldn't buy shares. They just shut down the apps. Something happened. There was a glitch or something, but there was no, they were coming back, no shares available. They were getting the message. I was seeing the messages, right? On snapshots. Yeah. It looks like we do have a little bit of a cup form in here. And it looks like it might turn into a W too. That's true, Whale. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I feel like the other day I felt not a problem too. But the day will come. The day will come, my friends, that it'll happen, right? Because there won't be any left, right? There isn't. We already know there isn't. We already know there's synthetics. It's just common sense, right? But there'll be a time where they are going to be told that, hey, like, we can't afford to cover all these, right? So it is because people are loading. People are friggin' loading, including me. I loaded the other day. I dropped another $1,000, right? Like, you know what I mean? And I went against my rules. I had to buy it in the green. I bought it in the green, guys, yes. But it is what it is. It wasn't high up. I'm glad I did, because I would have paid an extra, $2 more at 200. I would have paid an extra 50, $60. Wow, it adds up fast. Holy shit. I would have paid an extra $60. Yeah, Matt. Yeah, I used TD for, I got 2 brokers, but I do have a speed broker. I call them speed brokers because they're on the phone. They're easy to connect and just all that stuff. I've never used that one. Moo. I haven't used that one. Who owns that? Is that an actual U.S. company? I keep on seeing it advertised on a couple channels, and I keep on getting. They actually contacted me and wanted me to put a commercial up and get paid for it, and I said no because I don't know anything about them, and I'm not going to start advertising friggin' what do you call it? Trading apps on my channel. Like, no, that's not going to happen, right? And it wasn't much. It was only like a couple $100 a month for them to put a slogan up on the bottom of my channel. I said no. Because what will happen is a majority of you guys will start using it, and then what if something goes happen? Then it looks bad on me, right? I don't want that for you guys. I just want you to stick with the brokers you have. You've been using them, and they're fine, right? Yeah, Hori, that's a good chunk. That's a good chunk, man. That's a good chunk. You own a little bit more than me. Is it? Okay, Stone, I'm going to go over and check them out. Is it the same as Weevil, where they can, you have a free chart you can use if you don't buy their stuff? Okay, good. That's good to know, Warren. Thanks, guys. You guys help a lot. You bring a lot to the channel, you guys. You think China? They're from China, Ed? Okay. Yeah, because the word moo does sound like something like Weeble. Like, yeah. I notice the Chinese stuff usually put two words in one, like moo or weeble, like, you know what I mean? It just seems to go like that way. Where here it's Fidelity or TD. It's all one word for the trading platforms. Except Robin. Oh, it was funny yesterday when they mentioned the SEC mentioned that about order flow and Robinhood stock instantly within, I don't know if it was a coincidence, but it went down like 5 point something percent. I don't know about that, man, that stock. It was amazing how many trader apps from China have shown up. Yes, Ed, and it's very concerning, actually, my friend. It's very concerning because how do you get your money, right? If something goes wrong, you're screwed. I used to order stuff through give me a second here. Alibaba from my Android company, right? I had an order go sideways. It was a pretty big order. It was about $8,000. Okay. Trying to get my money back? No. I would have had to fly there, man. And then how you can't go confront something. You get thrown in jail there, man. So you're totally screwed. Right? So that kind of got me. That was an eye opener, man. I was totally screwed. There's nothing I could do. I called the actual embassy, the Canadian embassy over there, right? Nope, can't do nothing, man. Their hands are tied. And to try to put it through courts, they wouldn't even take it, right? So I don't know. It was just an eye opener, man. It sucked because I was just getting my business going and that, and yeah, I was getting I just got shot in the foot, man. It almost collapsed my business. So it is what it is. Just a learning curve, guys, right? It's life. It's called life, right? Yeah, I heard they don't use paid order flows, which is a huge positive, man. A huge positive. That's huge. That's a positive right there. No, I was just talking about in general, with just China stuff, right? Okay, Russell Violet. Order flow is like 80% of Robinhood's revenue. It'll make sense. The stock price would take a hit. Yeah, that's crazy. 80%. Wow. Wow. Okay. Got a huge bull here happening. I'm just going to jump over here, guys. AMC is pretty big, my friend. It is. I'm just going to check out, see what's any new news is out right now. Holy shit. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. Let's check out some stocks here, guys. There's some... I want to check this one out. It did go down. I'm glad I didn't invest last night. I friggin' knew this was going to happen. I knew this. I saved myself so much money last night. I knew it. I knew it was going to go down. Support.com. I knew it. I called that. Yeah. Because last night it was up here. Last night it was at $40 in the middle of the night when I got that call. And then it was, I was looking at the thing and I woke up and I was looking at it. I'm like, no, not a good call. Not a good call. It is leveling out though. Wow. Tesla's down a bit too. 700. Oh, it's not much. It's not much. That's nothing actually. Where's the other one? There was another one on here too. Is that the same one? No, this is different. Oh no, that's that other company. That was the wrong one. This was the one right here. This is the one that they keep on pushing and then it collapses every time. It did this the other day too. Let's go back for an hour chart. It seems like in the middle of the night, they pump it and then it hits open market and collapses. It does it all the time. Look at, there's yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I stayed the hell out of that. And this is another one right here. There's another one they pumped in the middle of the night and it collapsed as soon as the market opened. Wow. There's a lot of this happening now in the last week. I don't know if you guys have noticed it or is it just me? Is it? Okay, thanks, AJ. Thanks for clearing that up, my friend. Thanks, guys. That's awesome. GME is up 5%. Let's have a look. It is, yeah, 4.86. It's not much off, eh? That's good. I'm glad. Those two stocks deserve to rip, man. The people that are in GME, and I know a lot of you guys are too. You guys deserve your day, man. Like, you guys have been waiting so frigging long for this and tortured like us. How are shares still being sold? I know. Trust me, that I can't wrap my head around that. Astro broke the code for us. He's using something that's been around forever. That formula thing he's been using, they've used that since the stock market came out. He did a pretty good job though of the 4 charts though, but it looks all right. It looks all right, my friends. But that format's been out for a while. I forget what it's called. It's called help me out, guys. There's a person that invented it. It's the hell is it called? Shit. It's just a sort. It's a way of reading charts. It's a certain formula used. The hell is it called? I can't remember it, guys. It'll come to me. It'll come to me. Good morning, brother. Wikipedia reference. Okay, Ed. Good. Yeah, I love Wikipedia. I should actually put that app on here because when we're talking about stuff like, for instance, that code I'm trying to think of with Astro, I can't think of the friggin' code that it's his formula. It's used for reading market. It's been around for 30 years. There it is. Somebody has got it. There you go. Thank you so much, Ali. Thank you. It's like some of the first stuff that they've used for diagnosing charts. Thank you so much. That's it. Elian Theory. That's it. That's the person's name. Okay, so I'm gonna read some of your guys' questions here, my friends. Very nice to say, but I'm about to lose my job. What? Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. We got a wolf in distress here. What, Morgan? Like, what the hell? Like, just because of the economy, my friend? I feel bad for you, bro. And thanks for sharing that with us. You don't need to share that personal information, my friend. Wow. I know there's a lot of people in hardship right now that have put like lots of money in this. And here, I'll blow the chart up for you guys a little bit. It's hard to see. Sorry about that. Sorry to hear about that, my friend. Like, that sucks. Is it just because the economy, or is it because your boss is a douchebag? Because there's a lot of that. I've had a lot of dickhead bosses. Thanks, Shamron. Oh, were you saying that a while ago up here and I didn't read you? Did I miss you when you did you mention it before, my friend? I missed that? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry on that if I did. Oh, CJ, yeah. Man, this'll help a lot of people out, man. And it's mostly good people that have invested in this. You know that, right? That it's mostly just working people, people that have kids, like multiple families, elderly. There's a lot of elderly people in this too, right? They just want that good little kick before hitting retirement, or some in retirement, right? Charles Schwab. D, you've been working on that for a while. You did it. Yeah, I mentioned you were on here last week and you were trying to work on that. It went through. It went good. Robinhood's lost so much business, and I know that for a fact. There was a little blip on it. It was like a sentence thing on what was it? Google News about he's lost. There was no percentage. It's just a substantial amount of clients. Driver YouTube, do anything you can until the squeeze. Yeah, what's that Uber thing? Are any of you guys doing that Uber thing? That's kind of cool, actually. And same like the skip the dishes, or do you guys have that? I'm back with your ice cap, your Timmy's ice cap, eh? It does, Montgomery, it does. I'm just going to jump over here, my friends. Do. Sorry about that. Yeah. Yes, Montgomery. Yes, they should have. Worked 28 years in an auto industry and finally said to employer, 2 interviews on learn day trading 6 months ago. Good. Warren, it's me, Frank. Oh, you changed your name. You changed your name, my friend. Well, dude, how are we supposed to know that? I'm never going to remember that. You got to put Frank I peed in the pool. Ugh. That's going to mess me up forever, bro. That's pretty low. That was pretty low cover, man. Uber is good. He's incognito. I know, dude. That was a good. That's good. That was good. Yeah, because a friend of mine was thinking about doing that, or that. What is that? Skip the dishes or DoorDash or whatever. Do you guys know anything about that stuff? Like, do you have to pay taxes on it? That's hilarious. I hope it does too. I hope it does too. We're sitting at oops. I'll put us back on the minute here. We're getting a little bit of volume coming in. We're almost at that 46. If we can lock that 46 today, it would be nice. For sure, guys. Good morning anyways, brother. Frank, you're hilarious. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome, some of the shit you do. So, who was it? Who was it asking? Was it... There's so many of you wolves now. One of you was asking about a Friday night, having some drinks Friday night and just hanging out just for a bullshit. I can do it for a bit. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys want to do that? Or like on Saturday or something? Well, I don't want to do it on Saturday because JP has his thing on Saturday. So I don't want to, if people want to go to his group there, I kind of don't want to take away from that. But it's like contract work. Thank you for answering that. Thank you. DoorDash is like contract work. Okay, I'm going to tell my friend about that because they're looking for something like that. Exactly. So I will look into that. And you can set your own hours, right, my friend? Here comes the boom, yeah. We got a little bit of a W there, eh? You see that? Double 3 touch point. I'll blow that back up again. Come here. Now we get that friggin' push of hell. Go, you bastard. I'm sure you have to pay taxes. Yeah, Shamaran, of course on the money you make, but not on the tips if you don't claim it. He's saying. That's what he's saying. I'm pretty sure that's what he's saying. Same as anywhere, like if you work in a restaurant or you know what I mean? Some people just claim a fractional of them or whatever, right? Personally, I don't think you should friggin' pay anything on it. It's a gratuity. Like, it's a tip. Like, it's appreciation. I don't think you should pay any on the wage, yes, but not on the actual gratuity. I don't think that's fair. Because they're not the ones out there working, doing it. Charlie, brother, how you doing? Oh, okay. Thanks for the info, man. I really appreciate that. I do. That's what I like about this channel. We talk about everything. If somebody needs a hand doing something, it's all good. Gig employment contract over 20 years without, did most of the time the money is better than part-time. Oh, that's good to know. Cool, guys. Smart stuff. Okay, come on, here we go. Let's do this. Exactly like restaurant. So would you guys, am I investing in crypto? Yes, I am. I'm a little bit, yeah. I'm not going too heavily into it, but I'm more into residual income in multi streams. Like dividend, if it goes up, you get paid, right? I'm more into dividend stocks, right? Because I used to be in lots of plays on the market, right? As you can see, my portfolio and my past videos from when I first started. And sorry, I was just reading it. And the thing is that dividend royalty is a huge thing, especially into retirement, or if you're retired, it makes a huge difference on your quality of life. And if you just put it in there and you forget about it, say for like 10 years, and you're just working and just plugging along, and then you're just instead of putting money away, back in the day, you were taught to put money into like just a savings account for retirement, right? Or an RSP or something like that, where it's low interest. It just, and then when you take it out, you get taxed, right? Just common sense, really simple, right? But now the economy and everything's gone for a shit, and it's just getting harder. The price of food's so expensive, and it just, the best way to do it, instead of, and this is just my opinion, this is not financial advice at all, this is just what I do, and I find it works for me, and I wish I would have done it probably 10-15 years sooner, is like if you're working, which I'm not working, right? I'm already retired, but if I had a paycheck coming in, I would have put $1,000 to $2,000 a month, if I could afford it, right, into buying dividend stocks every month, instead of putting it into an RSP or a savings. And then that interest, like if the stock goes up, awesome, but if the stock goes down, you still get that dividend. And we talk about this all the time, but I just wanted to say that compound interest in your account, okay? And if you're not planning on taking it out for 15 or 20 years anyways, you're looking at a huge chunk of money there when you're done, okay? That's all I'm saying. I just wish I would have known that when I was younger. Like, I just, instead of RSPs and all that stuff, and yeah, and then there's GICs, there's so many things that they want to take your money, right? And they all have little perks. Some of them have downs. Some are better than others. Some are you guys know what I mean. It's enough to confuse the normal person, right? And if you don't do it right and it matures, you're screwing yourself. Like if it matures not soon enough and you got to pull the money out. See, the thing with that and a dividend stock, if you pull the money out, you don't get hurt, right? You do have to pay taxes on it, yes, on the dividend, right? Or the money if you make money. But if you need that money, you're not getting penalized. Do you know what I'm saying? You can go buy that stock again. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. We're at over 6% now, guys. We did it. We were at this morning. We were talking about that. I know we haven't done it. It's not. We're only like not even an hour into it. Okay, I'll read some ready to explode. I know. I keep on hearing that. He is rising, and yes, he is, my friend. He is. He is. I hope the stock rises before he does. Short interest got crazy, and the float is teeny. Way better than Spirit. And okay, let's have a look. We're gonna pull off this for a minute, and let's just have, I just want to see what GME is doing, guys, right now before we, GME is up to 5.05. Not bad, and we just cracked on 6. So let's just check out some new stuff. We've got some wave action happening here. There's nothing wrong with those big long waves. They're fine. It's these sharp angle ones that we got to watch out for, right? They're like a knife's edge. Okay, A, Q, S, T, we. Therapeutics. Am I on the right one? Q, A, Q. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so you're saying that. What's the short on this? How bad is this shorted? Because there's still a lot of shares to buy. Right? They're pretty close to almost full, but there's quite a bit of shares to buy still. It's down. It got pumped up here in the after. Well, no, not pumped. It carried through actually the after hours. What is this trade at? Okay. It did nothing yesterday. Oh, it went up a little. Yeah, it went up a little bit yesterday. It only overturned, you're right. It does have a small float. Or it does have a small 1% was overturned. Okay, heck no, they need real shares. They will have to buy back and burn. What's the high? The high on this was $9. Oh wow. Okay. And the low, it does hold its $3 value. So it's pretty much what it's worth is what it's worth. I like stocks like that. When I look at a stock and I'll dive into a stock and I'll have a look at it. I always check the average, guys. You should do that. You should get into a rule of doing that. Like with this, like when I bought AMC, AMC trades. If you go back into the years, it trades roughly between, not exactly, okay, between about 10, 12 to 18, 20 bucks, 24, in that range. Not exactly, this is just a ballpark. That's what I do when I'm looking at a stock before I buy, if I'm going to be long on it, okay? That's one of the formulas I use right there. That's the number one formula, okay? And you guys know the rest I use, but that's the one of the rules right there. Then you got a gist of it, and you do it for a couple years. Just don't do it for a year, and you got to take the V out of the equation. While the V is happening, you got to pull that out of the equation. Do it before the V happened, okay? You can't go off those numbers. That's like looking at the 2008, right? Totally, you got to pull that out of the equation. That's not normal activity, right? But that's what you do, and it can save you, right? I just wish I would have learned that I wish I would have learned that years and years and years and years ago, right? But I found that out, right? I just started, it bit me in the ass a couple things, and it is what it is, right? You learn as you go. Good thing I didn't screw myself too bad, right? But I've done like some plays where like MVIS, a bunch of you, a majority of you, I know, have bought, like maybe the ones that own MVIS, I'm just saying that bought high, and they're still waiting for it to go up. I'm on a couple plays, I'm on 3 plays like that, right? And it just keeps on going down, 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 and now it's into fractional pennies, right? It's heartbreaking, right? But it is what it is. It is what it is. And that's when this AMC thing goes. I'm using that as my tax break because I've lost money on that, right? So you can use that. Anyways, guys, I got to reload. You guys behave yourself, okay, while I'm gone. I'll pull this back up here. What the hell do I got going on here? It's like I got artwork going on here for you guys. There we go. There we go. Can you guys see that good? Yeah, you guys can see that good. You guys can see that good. Okay, wolves. I'll be back in about 2 minutes, and then I'm just gonna grab some Java. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Okay, brothers. Okay. Definitely got a W now. Kind of a messed up W. I'm going to put a trend line there. Or maybe not. No, I'm not going to. I'm not going to. Yep. Just one of those days. How's the weather, guys? Where you guys are all from? It's overcasted here. Actually, I'm going to open this window up a bit here. Get some fresh air in here. There we go. It's raining out today. If we just hold these bastards off for the day. So I'm just going to go through. We got 34.68 million. You've overturned 6.76% today. So far. Nothing's changed. Nothing really changes on this stock that much. Okay. Okay, I'll go back to your guys' questions here. What did I miss? Cam, how do you watch the market after it closes? Usually you can go into settings and you can check a box off, my friend, that says after hours. Like on Weibo, you can go up into the settings and there's a box. And I think that on Yahoo Finance you can too. It's in settings usually. In the sprocket, you know, that sprocket symbol for settings. And that's what you can do on most of them, right? Or it's I was just reading you guys. Yeah, or some of them want to charge you, right? But I wouldn't pay for that stuff, man. It's nothing special, right? It's just it's a good guideline. It's nice to know what you're going to be walking into first thing in the morning, right? And it's good for me because I can get, if we're into a gamma squeeze, like that's probably how this is going to kick off. Is that what it will be is in a high percentage, like we'll be up 50, 60, 70, maybe 100% after hours, first thing in the morning, and that will kick it. That'll be enough for a catalyst to get it going, right? And it's good to know that because I'll have all the software already set up and go, right? Okay. Doesn't believe that there's Clay doesn't believe Clay. Who the hell's Clay? Clay doesn't believe there is any synthetic shares. There's for sure synthetics. They've already said it. It's been the SEC even said that there's an issue with the share counts on AMC. Shit, look what's happening right now. Fuckers, man. This is bullshit. Okay, dude, sunny today in Wisconsin. Some low humidity. Clay bro, laugh out. Oh, okay. Kim, always 100 degrees. Oh, I would love that. My poor neck would just love that. It keeps on freezing on Stock Twits. I've never used that app. Do you guys like that app? I went on it and I was going to enroll in on it. Yeah, They're doing something. They're up to some shit. It's definitely something happened up here. What was that? That was exactly at 46. Something happened when it hit here. Bastards. I know this is bull crap. But we got to stay positive. We got to stay positive. And that's good that we got it's good that we got all of us together here in the mornings and stuff. Without this, psychologically, it would be way harder, guys. And you guys know that too. Especially for me. By me getting on here and talking to you guys helps me. Okay? From getting into depression, right? Straight up. Straight up, man. If you're sitting there by yourself and you're line watching all day, it's not healthy at all. That's why I recommend that you guys step away from the screen. They are, Andrew. They are. But like I said, that's why I highly recommend that you guys, and I know a majority of you, just sitting here and watching it all. I used to do it too. When I first started trading and stuff, unless you're into a day trading and you're paper handing the shit out of a stock and you're making some good money flipping it, buying it, flipping it, and all that stuff, and you got multiple plays on the table, of course you want to watch it. That's your job. But doing it all the time is not healthy. That's one of the reasons why I don't stay on here for like the whole market open, because it's not healthy for us to be looking at the screen and hashing the same shit over. I don't mind doing it every day. We talk about the same stuff, touching down on it. But just sitting here all day, what it will do is it will do the negative impact, the opposite of what it's doing, right? Just because I know that. But reassuring yourself in the mornings with a bunch of friends and stuff is a good idea, right? It is definitely good. We got some good feedback. Every morning somebody brings something new, right? Even if it's information we don't want to hear, we get through it, right? Maybe if one of the wolves is down and not feeling well or something like that, or some stuff's happened, maybe something happened to their kid or whatever, a car accident or something. It could be a majority of millions of things. There's support there. I know we don't really physically know each other, like physically, just through a computer screen and stuff like that, but it helps. You know what I'm saying? It really does. Good morning, Proud. How you doing, brother? But yeah, so anyways, that was just my little speech this morning for you guys. But I'm just saying that it helps me. Okay, you guys help me. So I'm hoping it does the like the same thing for you guys. Okay, let's have a look here. Fuse Cobalt's at 7.14. Oh wow, I'm only 80% minus in this one. That's one of the ones there. It's up 7%, so I'm still down 80% on that stock. Yeah, come on, really? Fuck. I'm going to jump into Reddit here, guys, for you guys. I just got a message on Reddit, so I'm just going to jump in here to see if it's worth talking about. Like I said, the information is getting... It's a different crowd on Reddit now, so I really go through this stuff. Hi, Ryan. How you doing? Oh, thanks, Warren. Thanks for throwing that out there, my friend. Oh, you guys are awesome. That's true. Yes, Montgomery. Yes, they will. They'll all be bought up. It's all thumbs up. Oh, thanks for the thumbs. Oh, thanks, guys. I was wondering what you're saying. You had the thumb up button. Oh, you're telling everybody to hit the like button. Okay. Thanks, guys. Anyways, there's 35. That's all. You guys are solid. So I'm just going to jump over to Reddit. And, well, there's me, first page, right on Reddit. First freaking page. My video from yesterday. AMC stock mods. They don't like me much over there. Everything I put on there, they strike me down. So I keep on posting all the time on there. Yeah, they don't like it for some reason. I don't know what the hell their problem is over there. They're so negative, eh? On that, have you guys ever gone to that AMC stock mods on Reddit? They're just so bitter for some reason. I don't know what their problem is over there. It is what it is. I don't let it bother me. I don't even read the comments at all. I just post my shit and then just leave. I don't even fucking pay attention, man. I don't even pay attention to it. Yeah, nope, nothing on there. That's how fast I go through that crap, man. Yeah, it's totally changed. It's not like it used to be, guys. Reddit used to be pretty good. With some DD. It's just junk now. Actually, there's good cartoons and stuff like that on there. Like good meme stuff. But that's about it. It's really gone downhill. It's I think we should just get rid of it. It's infiltrated with I think it's infiltrated with like bots and hedge funds. It's weird. It's totally weird. Like it's all negative. Like I post like some good stuff on there, and then it just the stupidest comments come out of it, man. Like stuff that doesn't even make sense. It's like they don't even. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know, man. Maybe you guys can help me out with that one if you guys notice the same stuff. I've never been into it that much, but it is what it is. Okay, coming back on here as soon as the friggin' page will load. There we go. Finally. Internet's a little slow today, guys. A little slow today. Going to watch. Are you? AHS. Joe. Is backwards on. Yes. It is. It is, my friend. It is. It is 100%. Yeah. Things are weird. But do you know what it is? A lot of it is a lot of people on those platforms are very, very bitter because these prices are up higher now and they never got in. So those are the people that are striking everybody down. I know that for a fact. They're just bitter people that don't have the money, or they should have got in a long time ago when it was cheaper, or they're just bitter. They're just bitter people, right? They know that we're on to something good, right? It's just called jealousy, and it's sad. It's very sad, right? Those people that do that will continue to, and they'll just put bad karma on themselves. They'll have more problems in life, right? When you do stuff like that. I learned that at a young age, man. If you're upset about something, deal with it directly on, right? And if it makes you more upset, you got to talk to somebody about it, man. You can't let that stuff stew, right? And if you can't afford something, then do something about it, right? It is what it is. But this shit, we can't do anything else except step and be as a team. Okay, going to watch it later. I'll be in and out all day. It's all good, my friend. It's all good, my friend. What time is it here? We'll be on for a little bit longer here. We're gonna be hanging out here for a bit, and then we're going to the same as always, man. I try to get in here on as much as I can, right? Oops, just hang on. I don't know why this screen goes to this default bullshit. There we go. There we go. Every time I click it, it goes to like no information on the right hand side. I don't know why it does that. I have no idea. But what is it? Today is Tuesday. So what do you guys think about Are you guys busy on Friday nights, you guys, or do you want to do a hangout, have some drinks, and just hang out for a couple hours on live stream? Or are you guys busy? I'm trying to think, or is the weekend better? Definitely not on Sundays. I don't believe in that on Sundays. What's up, Jay? Can you speak about sell limit orders for initial investment? Like what to set your prices on? I can't tell you what to sell your price on, but I can talk about it. Friday's cool. What about come on about like what? Say about 6 o'clock at night? Because you have to think about the time shift, right? Because we got a lot of wolves out in the East Coast too, right? Every other night. Okay. So yeah, what we'll do is that's what we'll do. I'll talk to the head wolf in the other room. I'll talk to the wife there, and yeah, market is closed. Thank you, Andrew. I was talking to somebody last night about that too, and it's the long weekend, and yes, okay, it is closed. So we gotta, unless you want to do it on Monday. Okay, well no, we'll do it on Friday. Okay. Resistance. For sure 46 is the resistance. For sure you nailed that one, my friend. Yes, you did. That is up to you, Jay. But what I would do is, if it hits 7, what if it goes higher? That's what I'm saying. Are you worried because you're working, my friend? You have to give me more enlightenment into it. If you're working and you're worried about something happening and you're going to miss those prices, well, yeah, I would do that. If you know, not a problem, Charlie. Did that work out for you for the after hours? Did you find that for the after hours stuff, my friend? So, so yeah, that's what I would do. Depends on the scenario. Like if you think you're going to miss it. Of course, I would set an indicator or even an alarm. Okay, you can actually set an alarm too, without selling. Right, so your phone goes off. I don't know. Okay, so called server and my account have a margin on it, so I called and turned it off. Pew, I was close. Call. Thanks for telling us to call our broker accounts, Cameron. Not a problem, guys. I don't want you guys to get screwed. I know a lot of you probably think, oh man, Cameron's freaking paranoid. Yeah, I am paranoid because that's a lot of money and this is a good play, right? And plays like this will come along gain down the road, okay? Probably not to this degree because laws have changed behind us. For the better, some for the worst, okay? What's going on, gang? Does anyone know if they're executed the call options? I don't know. I have no idea, Buffalo Dan. I don't think so. I think that we're just getting slammed down because we're getting up into high numbers again, my friends. We're getting little chunks every day, right? We're doing not that bad. Okay, like people that have been in on this for the beginning, you guys know. We're almost halfway, we're over halfway to $70 a gain. It didn't take us that long really, because I've been on this since the beginning, so I'm used to waiting a long time, right? For stuff. I was back down to $8, $6 range, right? It took us a while to get to this. Yeah, that's right. It is. I know. It's insane waiting for this. I'm back. Just checking in. Not a problem, Edward. Oh, Edward was the one that wanted Edward. We're gonna do Friday, probably 6 o'clock, for our bullshit and laughs and a couple drinks. We'll have some wobbly pops, and And you're the one that wanted to do that, right? That was you that messaged, right? Bringing that to our attentions. Hey, we should do this because Friday the market is closed, or Monday the market is closed. Correction, Monday. So that'll give us a good. Maybe I won't be on too long. Maybe like a couple hour and a half, 2 hours, maybe. But it'll give us a chance to just hang out, right, and get to know each other more and just chill. To buy more shares of AMC. I see it goes up to 70. I'll sell a few to pay back the margin. You guys are crazy with that, man. You guys are wow. All I just gotta say, be careful. You guys, be careful what you're doing. I smell some bullshit coming. Yeah, Dan. Yep. It's constant. It seems like. Okay, considering it's going to be a long weekend, do you think hedges will do something then? I don't know. I don't know. We'll know Friday for sure. I hope that we're at the $50 range by Friday. That'd be nice. 50. Yeah, because we're back. That's shit. We must be getting pretty high in our accounts with money. I haven't even checked my. Here, I'll check it right now. Because we're at $45. I'm up at least 300-400% in one of my accounts. I'll have a look here. I haven't looked in a week or so. I usually do. I don't know why I'm not paying attention to it. Probably because it's just one of those things. Holy shit. I made $4,000 today. $5,000 today. I'm up $123,000. That's with all the stocks though. I'm up 76,000 with AMC alone. Is that right? Oh, sorry, 69. Sorry about that. Correction, 69,000. $69,632. So to take off what I owe, I'm about $50,000 ahead. It's getting up there. Every day it goes up $5,000, roughly, right? 5 to 10 grand. One day we went up like $8,000 there. That one day we were up 10 something percent. Or no, it was 20% we were up that day. Wasn't it 18 or 20% or something like that? I can't remember. Every day's a blur. It just blends in, guys. But I'm liking it. That's true. We are going against the devil, my friend. 100% this is the devil. You nailed that one dead on. Okay. Sorry, I just didn't want to be rude there. I was just answering a question for somebody. Okay. Okay, Friday night sounds good. Safer than driving down to Houston for race cars on. Oh, you do like to watch drag racing there, Charlie? You sound like a pretty decent guy. Let's make sure I read all of your comments here. Damn, in margin. Okay, we read that one. Yeah. That's crazy how they'll front you the money, eh? They'll front you the money to hang yourself. That's pretty much what it is. Unless you're in it. Unless you do good, right? Some people do really good on it, right? But I don't know. There's that kid up in Canada that hung himself or killed himself, right? Over you guys know about that lawsuit that's happening right now, man. He got in a couple $100,000 in debt on on the same thing as puts and calls, man. And he hung, or he no, sorry, he didn't hang himself, or maybe he did, but he killed himself. Let's put it that way. It's still, and that was through the Robinhood trading app. They let him keep on doubling down, doubling down. You know what I mean? And sad situation, my friend. He was in school too, just a young little boy, right? But yeah, here and there. I don't know if you guys heard about that news down in the States, or if it's strictly just up here. Gotta go in 4 minutes. We'll look this afternoon. Not a problem, Charlie. You have a good one, my friend, and thanks for seeing you here, and we'll see you here tomorrow morning. A bad crash? Oh, wow. Yeah, we got drag racing right here. Like, literally, I can hear... You guys can probably hear the cars. When they're racing, I'll tell you, hey, do you hear that? You can hear the drag cars right from my house here, right? And it's probably about 5 miles away. You can still hear it. You can hear them down the speedway. Especially when they got the top fuel there. It's really loud. Look at, we're doing a nice pushback here, guys. I'm liking that. That's a nice step up. Got a little bit ways to go, but we'll see. We'll see what the thesis is on that. We'll see what happens here when it hits back up to this 76. We'll see what happens. Okay, we'll see what happens with that. If that same shenanigans happens, then we know that that's actually a monumental point. That they do not want us getting past that. Well, they don't want us doing anything, but. Yeah, no doubt. That's right, Montgomery. Yeah. Okay, what do we got there? There. Okay, GME is at $217.12, 3.78 in the green. AMC's $45.52, 5.05 in the green. We're doing not that bad. I'm not going to read the rest of the stocks unless you guys actually want me to, but it's pretty much, these are the ones that are locked and loaded right now, ready to go. There's not that many people on YouTube today. The algorithms are down. They will be forced to cover. That's right, my friend. What price are they looking at for them to start covering? What price? Nobody knows that, my friend. Good morning, Gloria. How's weather in Maine right now? It's raining and overcasted here. Sanjay, we thought they were going to start covering way back 4 months ago. Nobody knows. Nobody knows, my friend. Right? FOMO buying. Yeah. Feature well, nobody can predict that. I thought he learned his lesson, and I don't even do it. I say it would be nice to. I don't get on there. I did it once or twice when I first started my channel, and I don't like doing that to you guys. Sending you guys up for failure. Okay? It really sucks, and it really pisses people off. he stopped doing that for a while, and he's starting doing it again. He even said that he doesn't like people doing that. He even said that on his channel. I have nothing against Lou. He's a good guy. Okay. I just don't agree with that. And I think you guys would respect me not doing that too. We can talk about certain dates that it could possibly go up, but I don't get on there and say, it's going to be $70 by this day, and this, and this, and this, and just come on the channel and you can watch it. We'll go watch it together. We can watch it go to that number. Yeah, that's not cool, man. That's not cool. I don't think you guys would like that. Right? That's not cool, man. Especially when you got a large following, right? We got a small group here, but it's getting up there, and I don't think that's fair to you guys at all. Especially on podcasts, trying to get people to the channel. I never do that. I try to be respectful because I've had that done to me when I first got into stocks and stuff like that. It was a little bit different on YouTube back then, but you did have people doing that stuff, or you'd have ads on TV doing that. And it just sucks, man. It really sucks because you actually really cared for these people and you believed what they said, right? You really kind of idolized them, especially when you're getting new into something. And yeah, it's just crazy. Proud, you heard bad things about Coinbase? I don't know anything about for buying crypto you're talking, right? Where the fuck? Manjeet, are you on there? There's our call girl. She seems to know a lot about this stuff. I heard a lot of bad things about Coinbase. What have you heard, my friend? Just so I know, because that's who I was going to use. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sanjay. I tried, but I fuck up too. Pardon my language. Sorry for swearing. I screw up too, though, sometimes. Like, not screw up, but I might say something that can be taken multiple ways. I mean it some way, other way, and it comes across. I have problems with that sometimes. Me as a person, right? But oh shit, it got hacked. Oh my god, that's not good. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh, dude, that is not... I would not use them ever. I would never. Thank you. That's gone. I'll never promote them ever. Holy shit. It's insured, I hope. It should be, but that's still all the crap and bullshit. Now all your your SIN number, because you got to give your SIN number to open those accounts up. I'm assuming it's the same as like anything else, right? Because how would you pay taxes? Dominique, how you doing, bro? Yeah. Dominique has a really good point there, including me. You should do your own DD on stuff, guys. I've always said that, okay? I do DD on myself. Right? Like, I always double when I see something and the information, I do double DD on stuff, right? I try to. I don't use Coinbase, okay. Donovan, how you doing? Good morning, brother. Yes, Ed. Yes, Ed. Ed nailed it, my friends. This cold wallet thing is dope. Dope. And I think Ed's posted, was it you, Ed, that posted? We should actually do, I should actually do a video on that, guys. I'm going to do a video on that before we get into buying crypto. Sorry, guys. I was just watching this, them screwing around with this algorithm here. Look at this candle. Look at this freaking candles. Just bouncing like oil on a hot plate. Just bouncing. Here, I'll blow. Oops, shit! I'll blow this up again for you guys so you can see it on the screen. There you guys go. Okay. Jim Gray is not in hot water. 30 shorts are coming up to 50. So yeah, those cold wallet though, that how much are those, Ed? How much is it for a cold wallet? And I think those encrypt keys that you put in your phone too are pretty good too. That turn your phone on. Nobody can turn your phone on unless you have that stick, and you can use it to turn your computer on. All that stuff. And when you get that stuff, you should get a backup, okay? Because else you're screwed because they don't even have the encryption keys for it. Most of the companies don't. Did it just stop moving? I got mine's moving here. But it did. It was levitating. It's moving in small segments. And what are we? We've been open an hour and a half. We're at 8 point. We're about the same as we usually am. Or am. That's pretty bad English. But we're about the same. We're just crawling along like a little turtle. But it is what it is, right? Ed, it won't let you post because you're not a moderator. Send it to my email, my friend. And what I can do is I can post it for you. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll look into it, and then it's okay if it's from another channel. Just, you have my email, my friend? Ed? Yeah, I would like to look into that, my friend. That's definitely a good way to go. Yes, future whale. Yes. The market does feel weird today. It does. It totally does, and it's felt weird for the last week, my friend. With all these little pump and dumps. After hours, they've been slamming shit to the roof, and then as soon as market opens, they've been collapsing these stocks. I've noticed that too. I've mentioned a couple times. I've noticed that. And the other weird thing is, not weird, it's good for us. We've been getting green days. But we've been getting schwacked down. That's the problem. Like, we keep on getting attacked at certain levels. So there's that level again, guys. Right here. That same oh no, it's different level. Yeah, the same level. This happened 3 times now. 1, 2, 3. It seems to be about this $45 range. $45.80, between $45.75 to $45.80. We seem to get tanked down on that. Okay, guys? Ladies and gentlemen? What I think they're trying to do is make money. I think they're trying to make money. And of course, the only way to make money is screw retail investors around. So what's happening is they're pumping these little stocks, all these med stocks and all these little companies like bio stocks. And then they're collapsing them during the day market. So what they're doing is taking people's money, right? People are buying it in the morning and they're crushing it. They're not giving you a chance to liquidate it. So what they're doing is, notice in after hours, the price will go up like huge, like 60-70% on some stocks. Within the first 15 minutes, it collapses down to nothing. I've seen it multiple times happen this week, and halfway through last week. So what that's doing is they're after paper traders, right? They're after swing traders, right? Wash sale. You have to be more elaborate, that's a slang term. Like, what do you mean a wash sale? Exactly what I just explained. Hey brother, how you doing? Audio? No, I know you won't be able to post it. Hey Pon, how you? It is not a problem. Ed, just put it on here. No, it's all good, my friend. You won't be able to post it anyways. It's um, and anybody can message me here, my friends. There you go, brother. I'll pin it for you too. Just send it to that. Send it to that, my friend. I'll look into it for you, and then what I'll do is get the links out of it, and then I'll paste the link on there. I do appreciate that. Thank you. That's very respectable, Ed. I know what you're saying. You're like, because advertising for another channel. I understand that. I'd feel the same way too, man. Do. Yeah, wash sale. That can be taken in different ways. What I was just explaining was kind of like that. It's kind of like pretty much screwing retail investors. Kicking the can down the road. That's exactly what they're doing, my friend. That's exactly what they're doing. And they keep on finding all these avenues to steal money out of. Oh, I got the hiccups now. Do. The bastards. Damn it. Yeah, look at that the same marks. Is exactly 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Those attacks have happened. I know you guys care about this stuff because you like to know statistics. I'll show you in a second here. I'll show you right here. Oops. Try to blow that screen and get that over. Oh, it did work. Okay, good. Right here. Okay, right here. Look at that. The same amount. Right here. Right here. And right here. And right here. It seems to be all in this region right here. The same level. This is computers doing this shit, guys. It can't be that accurate to do this. It's messed up. It's messed up. It's so messed up. Yeah, they will. But it's computers doing this, Proud. That's the problem. Oh, okay, Joe. That's what. Okay. Okay, wash sale. Yeah, no, I'm thinking of something different. I've never actually really heard about it, dude. Probably because it doesn't apply up here. I was thinking of something else, my friend. That's why I was waiting for you to explain it. I sold it 47 and bought back at 43. That's what you're talking about. What is that called? Reestablishing yourself. So selling high, waiting, and hopefully it's going to drop, right? And if it drops, you buy low. That's what people are planning on doing with AMC. That's why I'm thinking they're going to take the buy button off. Okay, is because that's what they don't want people doing. That will actually hurt us. Okay, and because people will be selling and. Yeah, it does. Audio. Trust me. We were just talking about that, my friend. Probably like half an hour ago, we were just talking about that. I had a little rant going on here about it. Yeah, it's getting stale, man. It is what it is. They're making us work for our money. That's what it is. And I gained nearly 30 shares. Wow, that's pretty good. Just remember, you got to pay taxes on that, though, my friend. Just so you know, when you sell, like, okay, say hypothetically you sold on a stock, it was at $70. Not, we're not going to talk AMC. At a stock, say $70, and then it went down to 35. You sell and reload again. Just remember, you got to pay the taxes on that, okay, on your gains. And yes, people do that on AMC, but it doesn't drop enough to do. You could do it, but it's just not the right stock to do it, in my eyes, right? You need something that fluctuates more, my friend. But yes, people do that all the time. It's called averaging up, average down, and then average back up. That's what I call it. But yeah, I've never heard it called wash sale. That's pretty cool to do that. But you can also screw yourself too, right? Like what's who said that? Oh, audio said that. Like wash sale will burn your ass. Yeah, it could. Especially if this thing went. Imagine if you sold it and then it went right to the roof, and you only could buy a quarter of your shares instead of what you had. Say we're gonna get another W forming. These W's aren't that strong. Okay, then good. Okay, good, Joe. Yeah, you seem to know what you're doing anyways, my friend. You seem to know what you're doing. Yeah, audio. I know. It's just that there's so much corrupt bullshit. If Trump was in, and I don't know if you guys like him or not. I don't really know much about him. I just know that he did have some positives and he had some negatives, but he was into the stock trading. Okay, I know that for a fact. He did stock trading himself. I don't know if he did as the president, but he has done stock trading in the past. He was for the stock market. I don't know if he was during when he was in government, but yeah, he could have done it when it was down in the $8 range. Yeah, is that what you guys think, Joe? I just don't know. I know politics and stuff like that on the channel, talking about that stuff. We do a little bit. I don't mind talking about it a little bit. I heard that he never bought a single stock. No, man, he used to be in the stock market when he was younger and stuff. Fuck yeah. He used to be a trader, guys. I know that for a fact. I don't know what he traded, but I know for a fact he was for the stock market, guys. Trump is all about money, right? I think he would have done a lot to help us right now in this situation, I think, guys. I don't like any puppets. Right? That's awesome. You guys are freaking hilarious. Yeah, audio. I agree. Especially the government up here. We got that little. I won't even say the word. I gotta watch what I'm saying. Actually, they do all lie. Especially the little twerp that we have up here. The little pretty boy. You know who I'm talking about, right? Ours, he's just a tool. Total tool. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go through. We're gonna go through all this. We've been in. Market's been open for a while. I'm just gonna blast through everything for the people who are listening to audio. Ticker symbol CCL Carnival Cruise $23.87, 1.02 in the green. AAL American Airlines is at $19.73. It is 1.10 in the green. Cost is $18.43, 2.33 in the green. GME is at $215.59. It is that is GameStop, which is $3.05 in the green on that one. AMC is $45.16, 4.22 in the green. SU ticker symbol, the Suncor Energy, is $23.82, 0.33 in the red. And we got Air Canada. AC ticker symbol is $24.67, 1.02 in the green. MVIS is $14.70, and it's 1.17 in the green. BlackBerry ticker symbol BB is $14.35, 1.63 in the green. Okay, I just had to separate a couple things here. We got some marijuana stocks here. Ticker symbol CGC, Canopy Growth, $17.59, 4.08 in the green. Sundial, ticker symbol SNDL. It's Sundial Growers out of Alberta, Canada, is at 0.75. It's 1.15 in the green. It's gone up 1.1. It was par before. It was a little bit minus before it went up. Crypto, Dogecoin is at 0.27. We're at 0.36 in the green. Cardano, ADA ticker symbol, is at $2.76. It is at 0.81 negative in the red. BTC ticker symbol Bitcoin, it would be $47,340. It is at 0.41 in the green. Ethereum crypto is ticker symbol ETH is $3,381, 4.37 in the green. Okay, Mr. Kenny the Pool Peer. I do more than pee in his pool. What do I think of EVG? Oh, let's have a look then. Climate change? Didn't even know about this stock. Do you own some of this? Am I on the right one? I always ask you guys that because there's so many that are so close together now. He keeps on saying BlackBerry is $14. Is that true? This time, yeah. Oh, BlackBerry $14.35 in the green. It's 1.63%. BlackBerry is just a little over $11, and I got a Canada stock screener here. Just hang on, I'll double check that for you. I will double check it. I'll check it right on the Canadian website because it's right out of Quebec. Do 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 do. It is wrong. You're right. You are right. 11:38. There you go. Weeble's wrong. And it is 1.43. Wow. They're way off. That's quite a bit of difference. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks for the correction. Weeble is wrong. It is what it is. Thanks for that correction, guys. Okay, so any other? It would be good stock to hold long term. Different even company. Oh, okay. Yeah, Future Well, your chart is right. Your chart is right, my friend. Weeble's wrong here. I've noticed they do that once in a while. It's definitely wrong, 100%. I just checked it on because it's a Canadian company. I just checked it on their actual physical website, and it is 1138. You're 100% right on that. It wouldn't be the first time Weeble's wrong, right? I've seen them wrong on AMC a couple times too. Not by much, but the percentages have been out. Yeah, see, there it is right there. See? You can see it up on the screen. That's what I'm getting on the Webull. I hit the refresh. Yeah, it doesn't matter anyways. We already know the correct price. Okay. We're at 45.21 million, eh? Still only 8 point. Let me hit the refresh button on that. Still only 8.81%. Yeah, we got no volume coming in. And we're still holding pretty good for no volume, my friends. Yeah, that sure died down. It's still early. Yeah, I noticed it might pick up about... the past drive their charging points, so probably some years to go though. Oh, okay. Subway we just covered that one. AQ, we'll do it again though. QST. Yeah, we just got it's down. This is the right one? Yeah. Yeah, it's down quite a bit, man. That was one of the ones that was up in the market. Yeah, we covered this earlier today. Yeah, this is when the when did we cover this? Probably like about 10 minutes in the market. It hasn't done nothing. I'm just going to put it on the 30-minute chart. That's going down. Oops. 5 minute. Yeah, this is one of the ones where I was saying in the pre-market, it seems to go... Well, no, it held through yesterday, through the pre-market, and then it went down. It went down quite a bit, actually. And there's no volume coming in. It only overturned 1.36%. There's like nobody... Are you in on this, Trey's Subway Cup? Shares out, free float. Has a small float too. I wonder if it has something to do with you being in Canada. I live in Houston. I looked on Webull access rate. Shows a little. Haha, maybe, brother. Maybe, I don't know. I hit the refresh button. I have no idea. I have no idea, my friend. But hey, that's happened before, right? It's a glitch. Like, look at, see, look at, I'll pull it up right, it's here, look at what it says right here. And it's actually changing. The numbers are actually changing on the screen in front of me. It's weird. But it wouldn't be the first time. Like, I've seen glitches like that on this platform. And now it's frozen, right? Who knows? Yeah, it's weird. Weird stuff. Weird stuff. I hope it is the future. I hope that is predicting the future. Because I know there's a lot of people in that on BlackBerry. I don't think it is the correct price, my friend. Because I've checked it on multiple apps too, and they all say 11 something. Do you have a stake in Black and BB? BB's a good company. That would suck though if you were buying it and you were thinking yeah, that could screw you up pretty bad, man. Especially if you're buying like 10,000 shares. That would suck. Or I mean selling, sorry. I meant selling the opposite way. That would suck. Buying would actually be in your favor. So this is in the 5 minute. I've seen a few charging points here in New York, and now, and Blink is one. Oh, Blink is installing them. How is that company? I've heard a little bit about that company. It keeps on coming up on my news feed on Yahoo Finance. Have you? We're back in that 5% range again. I hope we keep this for the day, this 5%. I'll take that all day long. And I know you guys would too. What time is it? 33, guys. I think I'm going to jump offline here, man. Because there's nothing really happening. Did you guys want me to cover anything before I go? Just because it's pretty much nothing is happening on the market right now. Everything's just slow, crawling along. It's like that they don't want this. They're keeping this into a channel. It's stuck in a channel, which I'm okay. It's in a green channel. Okay, so it's like they won't even let these candlesticks even grow. Like, look how small these things are. It's because we have no volume, right? It's just crawling along. The bastards are probably redirecting it all. Blink and Chip will be the top dogs for the charging station. And that could be a good play. I wonder if you try selling that it would be 14 or I don't know, but you can make some good money on that. I don't know. I don't know, man. I know no idea. Because I'm the only one with this messed up chart though. That's the problem. My broker says the $11, my friend. So, you know what I mean? But guys, it's been a good one. It's been a good one. And what I'll do is I'll check out that cold wallet stuff for you guys, and I'll have some info tomorrow if you're interested in that. I think that you should get your ducks in order, especially if you're going to be buying crypto. That is a huge concern. Even though it's probably covered on insurance, I personally wouldn't give a shit. It's just my SIN number and shit getting out there. You know what I mean? That is a serious problem. Somebody has your SIN number, they can get into all your trading stuff. They can mess your life up, and it's really hard to get that stuff corrected. And some people can't get that stuff corrected. There's fractional problems that'll follow them forever in life, right? And Wolves, this has been a good one, guys, and we covered a lot of good stuff today. And thank you for all of your info, all of you guys. Future Whale, thank you for engaging all these conversations. We've solved a lot of little problems today. And we've opened up some doors, right? Which we will find the answers for. And everybody on here, I love you. And keep this shit real. And I'll see you guys in the morning. And if I have any other news come out during the day, you guys know I'll rip out a podcast for you. And over and out.